County Record 22680 B Drive, North Marshall. The first one I'd like to speak on is number 12B, as far as the rezoning, discussion about the rezoning. Do we have any idea if the mineral rights are going to stay with the property, you know, as owned by the city, or is it going to be owned wholly by Ford or whoever has the property? And I want you to be aware that you are able to retain those rights if you didn't know that previously. With this rezoning being heavy industrial, that would also open it up to a possibility of mining if there were types of minerals under this ground that Ford or their subsidiaries would like to use. With the river right there, it would be a really nice place to wash all that into the river. So that's my piece on that. As far as the PA 116, that's a 7-year payback. I know that because 200, or our farm is in that program as well. So that's paying back the taxes that the benefit that the owners had during their ownership. They have to pay back 7 years of those taxes. And the law is quite clear on how to terminate that. The law allows for the termination of all the land in the release or release a partial of the partial termination of the farm development rights agreement prior to an agreement's expiration under a variety of conditions. And the conditions are the death or disability of an agreement holder or person essential to the farm operation, a parcel up to 2 acres with a structure on it that has predated the agreement, a parcel up to 2 acres for construction of a residence for an essential farm hand or person to the farm. The farmland is economically inviolable, which this is definitely not. Surrounding land usage restrictions on farming, natural irreversible changes occur to the land which restricts farming, a court order restricting farming, or the public interest. So I do not believe that this meets the criteria of the law to release this property from the PA 116. Thank you.
Thank you.